taking over the ocean quiz scene, ready to dive in. Question 1. Which cephalopod has 3 hearts? 2.1. No, to answer, the octopus. That's right, 3 hearts. Because why settle for 1 when you can have a backup and a backup's backup, right? Question 2, true or false? Squids can fly out of the water? 3.2.1. Answer. True. Yep, they can launch themselves like jet-powered calamari. Question 3, which cephalopod is known for its masterful camouflage? 3, 2, 1. Answer. The cuttlefish. The ultimate hide-and-seek champion. You'll never find it unless it wants to be found.